Hello there. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to create a HR specialist role for implementation of Oracle Fusion SaaS Cloud. Usually, this is possibly the initial steps that an application implementer takes to create key roles that have to be assigned to the application implementer itself before taking up specific setups, particularly starting with enterprise structure setups. So one of the key steps is to create a HR specialist role in Fusion SaaS Cloud and assign access to all the roles, all the organization, and all the privileges. It includes view uh, all sort of an access. So I'm going to show you how you can do that in our Fusion instance. So let's go to Fusion demo instance. All right, so we are here in our Fusion demo instance. Now, before we proceed further, I'm going to show you the instance that we are on. So if I go into about this application, so we are basically on version 23D of, I believe it's release 13 of Fusion instance. All right, so I'm going to close this and you see, you have to basically go to setup and maintenance. So if you don't know how to go about it, all you have to do is go click on this user on the right hand side top corner and then click on this hyperlink setup and maintenance. Once you do that, this particular form will come and you see here I am in financials functional area. So you have to look for this particular task, manage data role and security profiles, and hit the search button. And once it comes up, this hyperlink, manage your data role and security profiles, click on this hyperlink and you hit the create button to create a new role. Okay, so the first thing that you've got to go is give the data role name. So let's say I'm going to give a name of Orange HR specialist role. Okay, and then you choose ORANGE. Okay, and here you choose a specific role, and I believe that role has to be something like human resources specialist. Okay, so search by this combination. Okay, let's do this. Okay, here it go, and then you scroll down, and here you look for a human resource specialist role, which is an existing role, and all you're doing is creating a new one and then assigning certain attributes based on your requirement for a new implementation. So you choose this one and then hit the OK button, and you see the description defaults automatically. I'm going to simply append with the role and then hit the next button. This warning comes up, so ignore this warning for the moment. And then possibly another warning will come, and I'm going to ignore that one as well. I'm going to hit the yes button. Okay, and then I will look at this. Here you've got access to a number of entities such as organization or positions, countries, legislative data group, person, and so on. So just follow me. So this organization security profile, I'm going to give either you can give a specific organization, which could be a legal entity, or you can say view all organizations. So view data for all the organization that you are going to set up as a part of your implementation. And position security profile, again, I'm going to give view all positions, and that means that this user will have access to all areas in position security, and he or she will be able to view the data in relation to them, and then view all countries. Likewise, I'm gonna select view all everywhere. So in legislative data group, view all the legislative data group, and in person, I'm gonna say again view all. So let's say search by this view all people. Okay, and likewise, I'm gonna go up here, and then I would say person security profile, and here also I'm gonna look for view all. So view all people, and then I'm going to come down and then look for document type. So document type security profile is view all document types. Then payroll, view all payrolls and payroll flow. Then view all flows. Talent pool, view all talent pools. Okay, and that basically all you have to do as a part of setting up this particular role for your new implementation of Fusion class Fusion Cloud SaaS environment. And then I'm going to click on next to review whatever I have done it so far. Okay, here you can see, and likewise it's going to show you all the entities details that you just selected one by one. So you click on next until you reach the end, or alternatively, if you don't want to make any more changes, you can simply click on review button as a shortcut. So it's going to skip all these steps. As you could see, there is a process flow steps. So one by one, all the entity it is following up. We're on payroll, and you see we have selected view all payrolls, and then payroll flow, and hit the next button. And here we have got view all talent pools and talent pools entity, and then hit the next button. Here you will be able to review all the information that you just gave, and then you hit the submit button to submit this record. So I believe there will be a process that will be run in the background to create this particular new role that you just submitted. Okay, that's done. So in order to view the status of your role, you can go to the search window in the header and type orange, because that's what the name we have given. So this is the starting of the name. As you could see, the status is complete, and you see all the security profiles have been assigned, and you can go and edit that if you like by looking at this edit button, or you can export all such roles using this export functionality. It will be exported to Excel. So in short, that's the process of creating a new role for human resources specialist, having access to all the entities for your Fusion SaaS implementation.